my friends. Hello, this is Love, Pray, Paint. My name is Maria, and today we are going to learn how to varnish a painting for pennies. Now, if you'd like to stick around with me and learn how to do this, it will only take 5 minutes. So please like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. I make new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday. So let's get on to the varnishing. All you are going to need is some Mod Podge, and you can just purchase this at the Dollar Tree. If you don't want a glossy finish, you can actually buy a matte Mod Podge. And then you will also need some type of a sponge. These are the best kind. You can buy these in bulk at like Walmart or Target or any craft store. What you're gonna do is just take your Mod Podge. You can squirt it directly onto your, make sure your painting is clean and free of dust, which mine is not. So let me just take care of that. So what you're going to do is you can either put your Mod Podge on a palette or a separate surface, or you can literally just squirt it right onto your canvas or whatever you are going to be varnishing. Mine's obviously an LP, a record. So just put on a little bit, and you're gonna wanna work fast because this can dry fast, and you want to try to not shake it too much because you get these little bubbles, and you really don't want those because those can actually stay on your painting. So you want to be really careful, and if you notice that you don't have enough, just put more, obviously. So this is how I'm going to do this, and you see how there's a like white cast? You don't have to worry about that because that's actually not going to be on there. And so how you're going to want to do this is you're going to want to go in just back and forth like this so you don't get any lines in it, because if you start going different directions, you'll see those stroke marks. And I think it's really important to use a sponge here. Don't use a brush. You could use a chalk brush, but I would worry about getting, I'm going to try to do this with my left hand because I don't want it in the way. I would worry about getting brush marks in it on your varnish, and you really don't want this. You wouldn't, I mean, unless you do want brush marks, you might, who knows. Different strokes for different folks. Okay. So you're just going to cover this whole thing just in even strokes. Like I said, that's super important to make sure you have even strokes and that you cover your entire thing. So now this looks a little crazy because it has white on it, but it won't dry that color. And you want to make sure you have an even layer over the entire thing. And so, hopefully my hand isn't covering this whole thing. That is how you can varnish a painting in 5 minutes for pennies. And so what you're gonna do is let this dry in a space where nobody's gonna bump into it, stuff can't fall onto it, you know, or stuff won't fall onto it. And that's it, easy peasy. So all you need, like I said, is the Mod Podge and a sponge. And then this will dry nice and clear, and it really gives a really vibrant look to your painting. So that's all. I will see you guys on Saturday. I hope you have an awesome week. Bye.